Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 18 Ford Expedition Max Platinum. Come from down in Texas, so nice dry area, no rust issues. Front bumper all looks pretty good. No hail that I see anywhere. I think they call it metallic gray stone is the color. Tread's pretty decent, not new, but definitely still good. You know, you might see, just because of its age, a few little chips and scratches. Platinum, so everything except for the kitchen sink. I think it's got everything except for DVD, because it's got navigation and heated and cooled seats, remote start, trailer backup package, and also your trailer brake controller. Low miles, 46,207, so very low miles for an 18. There's some more of your goodies all there, your rear hatch and your power tilt, and of course memory seat and stuff. So it's got the middle quad buckets. That is an option. They all don't have that. And you see the Platinum has the little nicer seats in it. There's your heated rear seats and your controls. Like I said, got the sunroof. There's your rear seats. Interior's nice shape, has a regular floor mats, plus also has the floor liners. So this side all looks good, no major dents or anything. Backup sensors, trailer tow, like I said, rear hatch, power folding seats. This is the one little ding they got right here. See, right along this bumper and right above here, you got a little scratch. It's a little deeper there. So that's probably the worst spot. Otherwise, just some minor chips and scratches. And I haven't buffed it or anything. I think a lot of this would come out. We just got it on the lot. So comes with owner's manual also. Also comes with warranty. Is one of our certified ones, so 1 year roadside assistance warranty, and then your keyless, or if you lose your keys. So nice vehicle, like I said, come from the south, so no rust issues. Any questions? 605-695-7391.